Okay, everybody, this is today's tech tip. This one's on Google Classroom and kind of a situational one for grading. And the situation being that you've assigned a lot of work on Google Classroom thus far. You're trying to basically clean up your grades, and you might have some students that have been hit or miss with assignments. Maybe they turned some things in, maybe they turned some things in late, maybe they did not turn some things in, and you're just trying to figure out exactly what they have, what they haven't turned in, and efficient manner without wasting a lot of your time and clicking around a lot. So I'm going to show you a screen in Classroom that a lot of people don't even know exists. I show this to a lot of people and they don't even realize that it's there for them to use. And it's going to be one that is individual to the student itself. If you go off to the People tab and you have all of your students listed, you can actually click on these students and it's going to show you a list of all their assignments. Okay, let me show you that again. This is just back from the stream, and you go to People and just click on a student, and it takes you off to a list of all the assignments that they have for that individual students. You have filters off to the left-hand side about turned in, returned with grade, or the big one, for our purposes, missing, right? And you can also see that they are all labeled down on the right-hand side. Now, you can also get to this screen if you are in an individual assignment and you click on the kid over on the left, and you can actually just click on their name right there. It takes you off right to the same exact spots. It's just this, nice view that they have built in. Again, this is from the People tab down to the student name. It's just a really nice view built into Classroom to just see everything organized. Now, here is the efficient part of this tip. If you see some of these, everything other than the very first assignment has an attachment. And a lot of times you're going to have your assignments that also have attachments, either student created and added attachments or things that you've sent out by making a copy per kid. You need to obviously open up those attachments and see what the quality of work is, give it a grade. If you click on one, this is just a normal way of doing it. If you click on it and then you click on the assignments, you're going to notice that it takes you off to the new tab, and then you got to go back to this tab to get back to the list, and then go to the next missing assignment and click on it and kind of go through grading like that. Well, I want to show you that there is a shortcut key built in that makes this a lot quicker, a lot more efficient, and you can basically open everything up just by continuing to click in this tab, and all the other tabs will open over here without you leaving this tab, which is the efficient part. You will stay in this tab so that you can just get everything open, and then you can go through and check the work and grade and then move on. And, this is really for kids that sometimes you just get those kids that they've got some things in, they don't have other things in, and you just need to see it in a more organized fashion. So the shortcut key is, if you are on a Chromebook or a PC, you want to hold Control when you click the links for the attachments. If you are on a Mac like I am, you want to hold Command. So if I just hold Command right now, again, this would be for a Chromebook or a PC, this would be Control. You want to just click and you'll see that opened. I can come down to the next attachment, hold Command, click, and it opens. Come down to the next attachment, hold Command, click, and it opens. Come down to the last one, hold Command, click, and it opens. Again, that is Control for a Chromebook and a PC. I'm on a Mac, so I am holding Command. And what you have up here then is all of the students' attachments opened up nice and quick off of this one view. You can come in and take a look at all the work. If you use this feature over here, you can give it a score, and it just gets it all done very quickly, rather than going into each individual assignment and seeing if the kid turned it in, seeing if they've done any more on it, if you're giving partial credits, all of that. This view is the first and the key part of it to get into this view so that you can see everything. And then the shortcut part of it is holding either Control for a PC or Chromebook or Command for a Mac. And you can open these tabs up while staying in this tab and then go off and see everything And then really just repeat process. If you got any other kids that you just need to see, like my test subject here, I set up to have some that were assigned, some that were missing, and one that was turned in that I didn't need to worry about. So I'm sure everybody's dealing with different situations, different circumstances. And it might be something that can just save you, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes, half hour of your time grading a class and just trying to get the grade straight so that you know that you did the right thing as best as you could. So I hope it helps. Hope it shaves off some work time for some people. And let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a good day.